Everybody, and welcome to today's unboxing and first impressions video. Today I will be unboxing the massage pillow with heat by I think it's Viktor, Jurgen. So this is a massage pillow. I'll be posting the full review video for this in a couple of weeks. So when opening it, first thing I see is the instruction manual. Set that aside here. Take out the actual pillow. Okay. And the wall adapter. Okay. So, what seems nice here is that, let me take it out first. Okay, so this is what's included in the box. 2 silica gel packets, the actual pillow, a car adapter, and a wall adapter. So I really like that they include a car adapter in this because, I mean, if you're going on long car trips or rides, it will be very useful having this in the car. And I'll be using this to test it out, see how it is today. So it has a short cord which you plug the adapters in, and the actual pillow doesn't seem that big. It's only the size of about 2 hands. So yeah, I like how the back is made of leather. Gives it a really premium feel. So okay. There seems to be a zipper here. I'm not sure what this is for. Okay. And it's labeled here, Viktor Jurgen. That's pretty much it. Let me plug this into the wall and test it out. Okay, so unwrapping this. Side. Okay. Huh. The prongs are bent. Let me bend this back. Maybe this was in the mail when it got bent. Not sure. Okay, let me try again. Okay. Let me be back and get some pliers. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. I have my Leatherman Surge here. You can check out the review video for this in my list of videos. Okay, so prongs are straight. So, try this again. Fits perfect. Okay. Oh, that's nice. So, when you first turn it on, there's light. And it seems that the motors are very strong. And it's made of plastic under it. Okay. And when the light turns on, it provides heat. I can feel the heat already here. And if you can see the red light. Here, let me turn off the light here. So, you can see it's glowing red. And if I turn back on the light, then, yeah. The heat it provides is, okay. So it reverses direction as well. So I'm assuming that, I'm pretty sure this would be very comfortable if it's on your back. And let's look at the instruction manual, see what this provides. It says that the massage areas could be the neck, calf, the lower back, the upper back, or the thigh. So I guess this would be very useful. I'll be providing the link for the product in the description below, and the full review video is coming out in a couple of weeks. And make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos, and have a good day.